he's got something. Does he? No, I look like he got something in his feet. I don't know, the fountain or the. Yeah, what a choice. You got some delicious things.
We have two now in view. Let's see if they.
Oh, there were three of
Okay,
them.
I'm gonna eat first. Then you can come. Hi, you guys. Hi, both of you. Hi, both of you. Look at that Bill. That's incredible. Look at this. Look how beautifully raised.
Hi, buddy. It looks like you
And
guys
there
are
you have
inquisitive. Like you're wondering what kind of coffee we might be having or something.
Here comes his friend.
Help yourself.
And he got a bubble.
Yeah. Oh, you made a bubble. Good job.
He's checking out the Alpine Glow with us.
Right. He says, I can't wait for the Alpine Glow. I love it.
Bill, look how comfortable they are hanging out
I
here.
know.
This is amazing.
I love their cute little feet.
He's checking this out for nesting purposes. Well, we could nest up here. In the background is perfect, so you can see these guys, no problem. Look, we have new friends, Bill.
I know. Look at you guys just playing around.
This is
Look at the little noises they make.
And we're not even behind glass. I've seen
I
this.
know. That's incredible.
The one guy's just hanging out there. Look at that.
They're like 3 feet.
How often do you see the face of a bird like this? There's Tim, and he has that green, what do you call it? The sheen on it, metallic green color.
Kind of like a mallard.
Right. Okay. So.